Most people download Mistplay thinking they've found an easy way to make hundreds of dollars playing mobile games. But here's the truth no one tells you. Your earnings depend on how you use the app, what games you choose, and how much time you spend. In this video, I'll break down exactly how much money you can realistically make with Mistplay in 2026. No fake screenshots. No exaggerated claims. Just the real numbers, the smartest strategies, and the mistakes you need to avoid if you actually want decent rewards. So let's get straight into it. Mistplay is a rewards app for Android users that pays you for playing mobile games. You earn units while playing featured games, then redeem those units for gift cards like Amazon, Google Play, or PayPal in some regions. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most beginners earn very slowly at first because they play random games without understanding the system. Mistplay rewards engagement, not just playtime. Games with higher PPXP rates usually earn faster, especially when you level up quickly. For example, Alex downloaded a strategy game through Mistplay and played around 1 hour daily. In his first week, he earned enough points for a small gift card worth around $5. That may not sound huge, but the important part is consistency. But here's the problem. Many YouTube videos make it sound like you can earn full-time income with Mistplay. That's simply not realistic. Most casual users make anywhere between $10 to $50 per month, depending on screen time, location, and available offers. This is where most people fail. They ignore bonuses. Mistplay often gives daily streak rewards, boosted games, and special events that multiply earnings. If you only play one game without checking promotions, you leave money on the table. In a minute, I'll show you the fastest way to maximize earnings, because this part makes a massive difference. The best strategy is rotating between newly featured games. Mistplay tends to reward fresh installs more aggressively. Jake from Chicago tested this by switching games every few days instead of grinding one game for weeks. His earnings nearly doubled compared to his old approach. Another important factor is your country. Users in the US and Canada usually get more high-paying offers compared to smaller regions. That directly affects how fast you earn units. Now here's the reality check most people need to hear. Mistplay works best as a side reward app, not a job. Think of it like earning free gift cards while relaxing or commuting, not paying your rent. If your goal is extra spending money, small online purchases, or gaming rewards, Mistplay can absolutely be worth it. But if you expect thousands of dollars, you'll probably be disappointed. So here's the bottom line. Mistplay does pay real rewards, but smart strategy matters more than raw playtime. Focus on boosted games, daily streaks, and new offers if you want the best results. If you've used Mistplay before, comment below with your highest cash out, so other viewers know what's realistic. And if this video helped you understand the real earning potential, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest online income guides.